This week's warm temperatures and sunshine have us all thinking about spring, even though it's not quite gardening season. It's the perfect time to start thinking about it and maybe shopping for some garden items. Jimmy Juergens from Bentley Ridge Tree Farm is here with Let's Grow and your helper. Hello, can you introduce yourself?
My name's Charlie.
Charlie, well, we're so glad you're here. You're quite the helper getting set up. Jimmy, you know, we were talking to Jerry Ann about the forecast, and you had mentioned, remind people that winters can still come.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. We're excited. I mean, this weather is fun to get outside and do some stuff outdoors, but planting and plants, we're still exceptionally early on that. A lot of them, we kind of refer to it as the Mother's Day weekend or Charlie's birthday weekend. That's a safe time for us in May there to kind of get out and do the smaller plants and stuff. Still a great time to start gearing up for bigger trees and shrubs and start planning. As we always kind of like to say, plan ahead, don't plan ahead. But yeah, we still got that window here. So. Okay,
you're quite the little sales lady. Talk to us about some of these items we can start buying now already for our homes.
I think this one, I like this one. And the blue one in the back, I like that one.
The gnome on the back?
You like the funny gnomes.
Yeah, they're really, really cute, so I really like those. And this one, I think it's the
air plants, yep.
Yeah.
So air plant holders. We got a whole bunch of new air plants in and a whole bunch of holders for them that are
so
kind of goofy and fun there.
And this one.
The hippo.
That one
yep.
I like.
So those are good year-round air plants.
Yeah, easy. Same with like the philodendrons and stuff like that. They're going to be house plants. Great time to get those and kind of still get some of that green thumb out of the way inside, so we're ready for the spring when it does roll around.
We were out at Bentley Ridge a few weeks ago, and you have a lot of changes underway.
Yes.
What's it like right now?
It's changes underway still, but yeah, we're starting to kind of wrap up quite a few of the projects. Our current retail building is pretty much wrapped up. We're getting all the decor items out. Our pottery yard, we've been taking advantage of the nice weather this week, and we moved 45 pallets of pottery out into our pottery yard, and we're realizing that we need more. And so we're starting to gear that up, and it's looking really, really good out there. Still got our new building is still under renovation and stuff, but it's getting there day by day.
What about the greenhouse? Can we even start planting seeds in our own home?
Absolutely, yeah. Seeds and like pollinator plants, and I mean, we brought like the carrots and the bee feed and stuff like that. All of those are good to get into like seed trays and start getting those going inside so that when spring does roll around, those have a jump start on the season there. Okay,
what about this item, and then you have some fertilizer over there?
Yeah, we definitely, I mean, two of our best sellers here, the Osmocote and then the Root Stimulator, two products that we really, really like. As far as timing wise, it's still a little bit early to get those down. Mid-April timeframe. Great time to come and purchase them and have them ready so that if we do get an early break on spring, you're ready to go with them. But those two products definitely like to promote heavily in the springtime.
Okay, April's kind of that magic time.
April's kind of the magic time frame there. And then, yeah, for smaller plants, Charlie's birthday, May 11th there is always kind of the golden rule for smaller stuff. And then trees, end of April, we'll post our opening date. As I tell people, we're a little bit more conservative in the spring. We want to make sure we get that last frost kind of out of the way before we start rolling with stuff, but we'll have plenty when it does come time. So.
Okay, we have the spring fever.
Yes, for sure.
This flag, you all have a bunch of great garden flags, so this one's perfect for St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, tomorrow's March, which blows me away. February kind of flew by, but before February's out of here, I got to give a shout out to my dad today, though, because it is his birthday. So happy birthday to Dad, Brad Juergens, general manager at Bentley Ridge Tree Farm. It's his birthday today. So
cheers to you, Brad. Oh, that's so exciting.
He's gonna hate that I did that, but that's okay.
Well, we don't have a picture, unfortunately.
No, that's okay. It's like me, but older. Is essentially what it comes down to there. So
I'll just imagine that.
That's about all there is to it. But.
You know, it is amazing to think March is tomorrow, and I do think a lot of people do want to start just at least envisioning their garden and thinking about it.
Absolutely.
And you even have landscapers and people who can help us design that.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got a designer on staff. We all have really good input. Charlie likes to incorporate the gnomes into the garden, so we got plenty of those we can throw in. But yeah, lots of input that we can definitely provide if you have the pictures and measurements and kind of what you're looking to do. Now's a great time to get that rolling. Say what?
John's the landscape.
John's the landscape designer. Yep.
That's
so
right.
John's out there, and he can help you get your design work kind of done and get it rolling.
Anything else you want to point out and show us that we can come and get?
This one, I think.
This little plant? This is a cute plant. Is this a...
Oh, put me on the spot. I don't know. It's pretty. Cody showed me to bring that one today because it's got what's called a rabbit's foot on it. You see that little
wondering about that. Is
piece
that what
hanging
this
off the side?
is?
Yeah, it's like a little fuzzy thing. I guess that's kind of a rarity on plants, and
Okay.
he thought it was really cool. I do too, but I don't know what the plant
We'll
is.
go out and ask Cody what that is.
Absolutely.
And say hello at Bentley Ridge Tree Farm. Thanks so much for being here. High five. You did great. You too, Jimmy,
Thank
as
you.
always.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You can learn more. Just go to BentleyRidgeTreeFarm.com or call 515-444-9101. Bentley Ridge is located in Grimes, and you can check them out on social media.